7 Foods to Banish Bad Breath. Bad breath is both unpleasant and awkward. It can ruin social situations and make others uncomfortable as they try to guess what you had for lunch. While bad breath can arise from various factors, diet plays a significant role. According to dental experts like Dr. Lynn, foods such as garlic, onions, fish, and dairy products can contribute to bad or odorous breath, particularly when consumed in large amounts. Brushing your teeth can often resolve these issues, but that's not always practical, especially during a date or at an office party. Fortunately, there are effective ways to tackle bad breath even when you don't have a toothbrush handy. By focusing on your diet and practicing good dental hygiene, you can combat persistent bad breath. While certain foods can worsen bad breath, others can help neutralize those odors. Here are 7 foods that can help freshen your breath. Keep this list in mind. You never know when you might need to make a great first impression or handle an unexpected situation. To stay updated with more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for daily videos and content. 1. Sugar-free gum. You probably know that chewing gum can freshen your breath, but you might be curious about how it works. According to experts from Smile Direct Club, sugar-free gum contains xylitol, a sweetener that helps inhibit bacteria commonly found in the mouth. Chewing gum also stimulates your salivary glands, boosting saliva production, which helps wash away the bacteria responsible for bad breath. Beyond freshening your breath, xylitol also helps reduce plaque and prevent tooth decay. It's truly a win-win. 2. Parsley. While many people consider parsley just a decorative garnish, it actually offers a variety of health benefits, including preventing bad breath. Dr. Lynn notes that parsley is rich in chlorophyll, giving it its bright green color and making it a natural cleanser and deodorizer against bacteria that cause bad breath. Additionally, parsley has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it can even help boost your immune system. Though the breath-freshening effects of parsley are mostly temporary, adding some parsley flakes to a garlicky pasta dish might be just what you need to avoid an awkward first date. 3. Green tea. A cup of tea is a great way to unwind after a long day, but did you know that green tea can also help prevent bad breath? Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called catechin, which is highly effective at eliminating the bacteria that cause bad breath. And that's just the beginning. Green tea is packed with health benefits, including aiding in weight loss and reducing the risk of cancer. Move over. Coffee. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, with its unique taste, is a favorite among dessert lovers. Now, you might be wondering if this means cinnamon buns are healthy. Unfortunately, that's a bit too good to be true. Cinnamon buns are still desserts. However, chewing on a stick of cinnamon can help freshen your breath. Cinnamon contains an essential oil that eliminates bad breath and keeps your breath smelling fresh for longer. You can even mix cinnamon with honey and lemon juice to create your own homemade mouthwash. 5. Yogurt. Yogurt, rich in protein, vitamin D, and calcium, is a nutritious addition to any diet. Interestingly, it can also help prevent bad breath. According to a study by Japanese researchers, unsweetened yogurt is particularly effective in reducing hydrogen sulfide, a compound that often causes bad breath odor. So, keep this in mind next time you're in the dairy aisle at the grocery store. 6. Almonds. If you've ever been on a hike and packed some trail mix, you're probably familiar with almonds. Almonds are high in fiber, protein, and essential vitamins like vitamin E and B2, making them a convenient and nutritious snack. But did you know that almonds can also help reduce bad breath over the long term? The nutrients in almonds, such as calcium, help reduce tooth decay, strengthen enamel, and prevent gum disease. These benefits not only lower the chances of chronic bad breath but also reduce the need for unwanted trips to the dentist. Thanks, almonds. 7. Cherries. Let's round out our list of bad breath fighters with a cherry on top. Cherries are not just for topping off a sundae, they're packed with antioxidants and help eliminate odors caused by methylmercaptan, a gas released by bacteria breaking down food in your mouth. Consider these tasty fruits as a healthy dessert alternative that also keeps your breath smelling great. So, there you have it, 7 foods that can help combat bad breath. If you find yourself needing fresh breath, look for one or more of these foods. Remember, these tips are not a substitute for regular oral hygiene. To maintain long-lasting fresh breath, make sure to brush, floss, and use mouthwash regularly. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.